My name is Robert Gowdy and I'm a financial planner with Meriton Financial Group. And during this session we're going to discuss the complex issue of farm succession planning. Farm succession planning is one of the most difficult planning issues that I confront when providing advice to the farming community. How to hand over the farm to the next generation while ensuring that the farming business remains viable is a key question. And what makes this area of planning so difficult is the number of interested parties involved. These include the farming business itself, the next generation of farmers and the retiring farmers, and quite often there's the non-farming children that need to be considered. While the above parties all have an emotional and financial interest in the business and the farm, which is very difficult to balance, these are only part of the puzzle. There are also complex tax, capital gains and also Centrelink considerations. The most desired outcomes are to ensure that retiring farmers have adequate income and that the farm remains to be a viable operation, and there's adequate provisions made for the non-farming children. Many of these desired outcomes can be achieved by having significant off-farm assets such as superannuation, term deposits or shares. This can enable the retiring farmers to obtain an income independent of the farming business itself. The remaining off-farm assets from the estate can help provide for the non-farming children. So ensuring that the non-farming children are kept well informed of the possible outcomes of any farm succession is absolutely vital to ensure that expectations are set and they're achievable and they're met. This is extremely important given that it's always near impossible for a farm succession plan to treat each sibling the same from a financial point of view. The use of a self-managed superannuation fund can provide retiring farmers with an opportunity to safeguard their retirement by transferring farming land into the superannuation fund, providing security and control and a terrific source of income from the farming assets. Unfortunately, with farming conditions, rising input costs and low commodity prices, it hasn't always been easy to build a substantial off-farm passive assets. If this is the case, there are a number of Centrelink options that farmers can consider, such as age pension, through to foregone wages, granny flat right. So these can be powerful methods to give assets that would normally be counted as a deprived asset by Centrelink for 5 years. This type of farm planning is best planned out many years prior to the event, given the opportunity to build ample off-farm assets and to ensure that all the interested parties are well informed throughout the process. Obtaining specialist advice in this area is vital before making any decisions. Due to the complexity of farm succession planning, it is vitally important that the resources of a professional advisor are utilised for the best outcome for your unique farm succession puzzle. Thanks very much for taking the time to listen. Please remember this is general advice only, and I encourage you to read our general advice disclaimer at the end of the video. Thanks very much.